Right? The NASA has recently, it comes from 1st February, 2nd February. Now the activity is still going on, and the NASA and the ISRO has given a lot of statements saying that the activity is not small, and this electromagnetic wave which has been ejected from the Earth towards the Earth may impact the satellite, our communication system. So if you have come across such news, then this is the sunspot which the scientists, ISRO, everyone is currently monitoring. What it can impact on us and what are the consequences. So today Maltese sir and myself come here to observe this sunspot. So we have a telescope. So this, I'll show you the telescope.
The sun spotting telescope, no?
No. This is a telescope for watching sun. Just we need to have this sun filter.
Okay.
This is a C star S50. We need to have this filter,
Okay.
or otherwise we use this.
This is a manual.
Glass. Yeah, this is a simple glass,
Okay.
where you can put
You
it
can
and you directly see. Yeah.
directly can see the
Yes,
sun.
yes. Even you can see a sunspot with this. Particularly this event we can see, but
Okay.
because this is very big, you can see the sunspot with this.
Okay.
But generally it's very difficult to observe the sunspot with this. But
It's not that clear.
it's not that clear about it's not about it's not that clear. It's about the size. The size is very huge. So that activity start from February 1st, 2nd, and now still it's going on.
Oh, great.
Okay, so this is a simple telescope. It's not a simple, it is called electronic assist telescope. This is a go-to telescope.
That spot is actually impacting even migratory birds, you say?
Yes, because the electromagnetic field generated by this sunspot impact the Earth magnetic field, and the migratory birds rely on the Earth magnetic field to go from one place to another place.
Correct. They don't have radars.
So that is the problem. So the migratory bird activity, they slow down because of this activity. So definitely it impacts the migratory bird, but it doesn't impact our human body.
Okay.
But it may impact our other, satellites where we use communication system. It may impact our power grid.
Okay.
Right. So this is what, if you come across such news, this is what we are doing. So this is a simple experiment which we can observe it.
Okay. Oh, really wonderful. Thank you, Ranjan ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.